Hey guys, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video I want to go over a really cool folding electric wheelchair called the Tech 4. At the time of this video, this chair is under $2,000. Can support 330 pounds of weight. It has a battery range of just under 10 miles on a single charge. It can climb a 15-degree incline rating, which is very good for a folding electric wheelchair. It's also airline approved, and it has an attendant remote control where you can operate it from a remote control instead of using the joystick. So if you're a caretaker, this would be great for that. But I'm going to show you some more about it and why I like this chair. Let's get into it. So I'll start with the tires. They are pretty beefy tires that are flat free. Front wheels are also flat free. These are called honeycomb tires. So they kind of mimic a pneumatic tire, air-filled tire. Gives you a little bit of give. You got some spring suspensions. There's one on the other side, and you have springs here as well. So you do have some give when you're going over uneven terrain.
And this chair comes with 2 batteries, which gives you a range of around 10 miles between the 2 batteries.
You got your anti-tip wheels here. You got both of the motors. Right now they're flipped up, so they're in the electric position or the drive position. If I flip them both down into manual, now it's in freewheel mode, but you hear it beeping. So if I turn this off, oops, I'll turn that off. Now you can push it like a manual wheelchair. Even with it turned off, there's a little bit of tension. So it's not like you're gonna push this and it's just gonna, if you fall down, it's gonna just jump away from you. It has a little bit of tension, so it gives you some support. So you can use this as a walker. If you're a caretaker, you could push it manually. As far as the cushion, I do like this. It's a memory foam cushion. And then you see these straps here. You can adjust how firm or how loose you want the seat to be. And you can also do it on the seat back. So if I flip this, take this Velcro off here, you can see we have some straps here, so you can make it more firm or soft, whatever your preference is.
Hey, quick announcement. Just wanted to let you know we are giving away a free mobility scooter. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then also comment on any video. It can be this video or it can be any video on our channel. Once you do those 2 things, you'll be eligible for our next giveaway. We are doing this monthly, and we will announce this on all of our social media platforms when the winner is announced. So just wanted to let you know. Now back to the video.
Now the armrest, you do have, you can purchase, it's called an armrest extension kit. So by purchasing them, there are these little tools or these little knobs that will space these out more and give you 3 additional inches between the armrest to give you more of a seating area. That is an add-on you can get. You can add on a headrest to this. You can add on elevating leg rests, and you can also add on a mount to the back, so you can use this as an attendant controller if you're a caretaker. On the back also, we have a little bit of storage. This pouch back here, it's not much, so you do have that. You also have a zipper pouch here. We've got some storage underneath. Foot plate flips up, and here is your attendant remote I was talking about. I'm going to show you how to use that.
So when you order a product that's made by Discover Your Mobility, you actually get a lot of free stuff that comes with it. And I'm going to go over that with you real quick. So what you're going to receive is an umbrella, which can be mounted to your mobility scooter or electric wheelchair. You're also going to get touch-up paint. You're going to receive an arm bag holder that can go on the armrest. You're going to get a cup holder. Now this cup holder is for a mobility scooter, and this cup holder is for the electric wheelchair. You're going to get a cane holder. You're going to get a safety flag. You're going to get an oxygen tank holder. You're going to get a car charger. And you're going to get a headlight, and this is also a horn as well. And you're going to get a cover. So you get all this stuff for free. Share that with you. Now back to the video.
So on the Joystick, pretty simplistic. You can power it on. Plus or minus signs increases or decreases the speed. You got a horn. Those are the buttons. The top speed on this is around 4 miles per hour. As far as charging it, you charge it directly on the Joystick. There's a charging port right here. That's pretty standard on most electric wheelchairs to have the ability to charge it on here. Accessing the batteries. Now this actually has 2 batteries. Easy to remove these. So because it's airline approved, you just press this little clip and that will release it from here. And then this is what you would carry on as a carry-on when you're flying with this. So I'll put this back in.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. Or you can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
And let me show you how to use this remote. So if I press this power button, there's a little tiny light here. It's hard to see. Let me see if I can get close up and show you. See how it's flashing? Now this should, see now it's beeping. Now it's connected. So I can operate this using the Joystick. Now if I press this button, this will increase the speed control. So you can get it all the way up to the top speed. If I hit it again, it's going to go back to 1, so you have to just cycle through. So if I'm at this top speed, now I can operate it. Now you do see there's an unfold button on this unit. This does not actually unfold. The only thing you're really going to use is this button and this one, and this turns it on and off. So what I like about this is I can walk alongside of the person that I'm taking care of, or walk in front of them, look them in the eye as I'm talking to them, and I'm still controlling them. So this is very nice for that. If you're someone that has a medical condition where you have a hard time using the Joystick, you can just hold this in your hand, hold it against your chest, hold it in your lap, and then control it yourself if you wanted to do that. So I do like that as well. So these are curved, kind of like contoured armrests, but you can flip them up. So if I flip this little lever up, you can do it on both sides. You can flip the armrest back for transfers in and out of the seat. And then when you put it back down, you want to make sure you flip these levers back down to lock them into place. Another thing is there's a lot of support on these. So a lot of times people will put a lot of weight on the armrest when they get on and off. And this can hold a lot of weight. So no need to be concerned if you're getting in and out of the seat and you need to put all your weight on the armrest. It can support that. It's all around a really nice folding electric wheelchair. I think it's priced well. I like that it supports 330 pounds, and I like that it comes standard with the attendant remote control. So if you have any questions about the Tech 4, give us a call. We're open every day. We would love to earn your business. Our phone number is at the bottom of the screen. It's 1-800-682-9444. You can also visit us on our website, which is electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome day.